That is how much dissolved solids in water in different states. We'll check what kind of water in the water. Okay, 3 empty glasses. We'll take some water. One. Okay, that first one from a sink. Okay, from faucets. Okay, another one will take boiling water. Okay, after boil. Let's see. Alright. In 0 water difference. Okay, we will take after filtering 0 water. Alright. That water from faucet, first one, that is boiling water, and that is filter, up to filter. Okay, we will take particle measurement device. Right, turn it on. Okay. First water from faucet. And you can see it's about 419. So approximately right, it's showing water contamination in Nevada about over 400. Okay. After water was boil it. Okay, let's see. It's 652. Actually, it's got more contaminated after you boil water. Alright. And actually, it's not bad. It just maybe kidneys need more softer water eventually. Okay, and that is after filtering. You see, that is like almost 0.001. Very nice. Yeah, 0 ground. Look like clean, very good. All particles. It's clean water. Well, thank you for looking. Good luck.